When you're planning a pole barn build, it's easy to focus on the bottom line price, but some upgrades are worth every dollar because they add value long after the construction is complete. Today we're covering 5 features that can make your building more durable, more functional, and better looking for years to come. Let's get into it. So first up we have Perma-Columns. One of the biggest threats to any post frame building is moisture where the structure post meets the ground. Perma-Columns use a precast concrete base to elevate the wood column above grade, helping reduce exposure to moisture while providing a durable foundation connection. If you're looking for long-term durability and peace of mind, this is one upgrade that's hard to overlook. Next is steel interior liner. If you're going to spend a lot of time inside your building, this upgrade makes a huge difference. Steel liner panels create a bright, clean interior that's easy to maintain and stands up to everyday use. This also helps protect the insulation from damage while giving your shop or garage a finished professional appearance. Third is overhangs. Proper roof overhangs can help improve attic ventilation when paired with the right ventilation system. They also can reduce rain splash, and they just give your building a nice finished look. It's one of those subtle upgrades that improves both performance and appearance. Fourth is steel wainscoting. The bottom few feet of your building take the most abuse, from lawnmowers, weed trimmers, to gravel, and everyday wear and tear. Adding wainscot helps protect that high traffic area. And if it ever does get damaged, it's easy to replace that lower panel than replacing the whole sheet. And finally, extra height. It may not seem important today, but your needs can change over time. A taller building gives you more flexibility for larger equipment, additional storage, taller overhead doors, or even adding a vehicle lift or a mezzanine in the future. It's much easier and more affordable to build that extra height now than to wish you had it later. Every building is different, and not every upgrade is right for every project. But these 5 features consistently deliver long-term value and are well worth considering when planning your building. If you're designing a post-frame building, try FBI Building's online design tool to explore the different layouts, colors, and features before you build. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear which upgrade you'd choose first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.